Hello everyone, we're going to start the vlog here. Travel day / day one. It's actually the day before travel day, but we're going up to stay in London the night before. So, this is Charlie. And we got Elliot and Arthur down there in the wagon. Where are we going, boys? To Disneyland. Yeah, so we're just going to go get our train now to London, and then we'll show you our little Airbnb when we get there. Right, we've made it to our room. I'm being very quiet because it's an Airbnb, but it's basically just a flat that somebody's bought in a bigger block, and they rent each individual room out. So there's 3 other rooms with people here. So that's fine. It's just somewhere to rest our heads, ready for the train in the morning. We're off to bed, and we'll see you in the morning, ready for our first day on our way to Disneyland Paris. Night. Good morning. It is 6:45. You can't really see me, we've just woken up. We're about to start getting ready to go. We'll come back when we're out of this weird Airbnb thing and heading down for breakfast. We're just in McDonald's now, but it's really busy, and this McDonald's doesn't have any seating downstairs apart from 2 accessible tables, and they literally have 2 seats on them. Look.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
So the kids are going to have to eat in their wagon because there's no lift, and then we'll come back to you after. Right, we've got out of McDonald's now. It was a bit manic in there where there was nowhere proper to sit. Sorry. Long announcement, isn't it? We've actually, uncharacteristically for my sister, not for me, if anyone knows me, I'm an early bird, always ready on time. So we have got an hour until we can check in at the station. So we've come into King's Cross to go to the platform 9 3/4. My sister and the kids love Harry Potter. We can't all go in though because of all of this stuff. We can't get in with the wagon and stuff, so I'm just waiting outside while she's taking the kids in so they can get to experience it. And then there's actually a little family waiting area here in this station, so we're going to go in there so the kids, there's like a little slide and stuff so they can play for a little bit before we go check in. We've come into this little family waiting area. I can't really show you too much of it because there's people on the other side, but this side there's a little slide and the kids are loving it. They'll run up here, round and through the slide, and there's little buttons over there as well where they can press them and they make noise. Hopefully this will keep them occupied because we are so early for check-in for the Eurostar. We're over at St Pancras now. We're just going to find a toilet, go for a wee, and then we're going to check in. So we'll see you on the other side. We going? Are you excited? As soon as they've got the tablet. Anyway, we've got through security and everything now, so we're just sitting in the departures lounge waiting to find out what platform we're on. It's really busy, so
Yes, I know it's yours, darling.
we won't really film in here, and then we'll see you on the train. Here we are, ready to get on the train. We got to unload all of the stuff from the wagon, so we'll figure that out, and then we'll be on our way.
Yum yum.
Yum yum.
Yeah.
We've got snack trays that we made. Our table just looks so full of food, but the tables really are tiny. We're on the train. The kids are loving it. We've made it onto the second train. getting on the second train was actually a lot more difficult than the first train. I don't know why people always say that it's a really easy change at Lille. With the kids and the wagon and everything, it wasn't easy at all, and there's not a lot of space for everyone's storage, so we've had to abandon the wagon just by the doors of the train and hope that Disney's the next stop. But the kids are absolutely loving looking at all the wind turbines out of the window. They're getting really excited for them. So what's our next stop, boys?
Disneyland.
Yay.
What? When the train stops, there's our stop.
Yeah, that'll be Disneyland. Are you excited?
Yes.
We are here. That's us. So we've just come outside. There's World of Disney over there. I can see it already. Over there. We're finally here. I didn't film any of us walking through the Disney Village just because it was hard work with the luggage and everything else. I wouldn't have been able to hold the camera, but we'll do a little room tour. Sorry about that. That's kids flicking the lights on and off. Let's have a look. So this is our room. You come in and you've got luggage storage here and at the top. And then this is the bathroom. It's got actually really quite a big mirror. Toilet and the shower. And there is a bath with a handle. We are on the ground floor, which is great because we've got the wagon and this little space here fits it perfectly. There's another mirror here. Alright. I'll probably do my makeup in this mirror because I'm not that bothered about makeup. Charlie will do hers in the bathroom. And then this is the room. So we've got 2 double beds. The kids are absolutely wild, so just ignore that. We've got another cute little mirror up here that's cone shaped. And I absolutely love all the little, like the cone lamp. The details are amazing. The little number plates and that behind the bed. So cute. Boys, what do you think of the room?
Yeah.
Arthur, do you like our room?
Yeah.
Yeah? Thumbs up? Yeah. What?
Yeah.
Okay, give you a high five as well. Whoa. Right, are we ready to go?
That's a superhero high
A
five.
superhero high five. Are we ready to go straight to the parks?
Yay!
Yeah. Let's go into the park. We're going to go and test out the bus and see what it's like. So with the wagon and stuff, while it should be a bit quieter at the moment. Who knows?
Today you saw him waiting my things like that.
Our room is so close to reception and the buses and stuff. We're in the McQueen section, so literally right behind the main building where the restaurant and the Starbucks is, which is great. Yeah, right by Starbucks. I'm not a coffee drinker, but Charlie is, so we'll see how well that turns out. We're just going to try and navigate the buses now. They are over this side, so I think we need to cross here. The bus takes us to Disney.
I've only just noticed the little scary coming.
Yeah, I know. I noticed them earlier. Oh, that's so cute. There's little Halloween decorations all around the hotel and everything as well. It's really cute. Oh, just gonna... Yeah, we're going to see if we can get on the bus now. There we go. Look, there's one. It's absolutely rammed.
People coming back though, isn't it?
Hopefully. Yeah.
How are we going to get there?
We'll figure that out when we get there.
So we'll see if the bus is easy with the wagon or not, and if it's not, then we'll probably just walk. But at the end of the night, it would be nice to know that we can get the bus back, because it'll be quite tiring after a long day in the parks. Even today, it's absolutely shattered after just a day's travel, so we'll see how we get on. Right, we're on. Seems to be all good. And there's a seat next to it, so Charlie can sit there and I'll just stand up on the bus. It won't be too long. The bus is a little bit rickety. You definitely have to hold on, but we're so excited, aren't we, to get into the park for the first time. So we're off the bus already. It was so quick, but getting off the bus, everyone just barges on before you've even managed to get off. Trying to get the wagon off, people are like climbing over it to try and get on the bus. So we might walk going forward, but who knows, we'll wait and see. I suppose if the bus is quiet in the morning, it's not like people are going to be trying to get on as we're getting off at park opening, so we'll let you know. Look at these two. So cute. Are you both ready? Elliot, are you ready? Yeah, and you, Arthur. We're going to go get something to eat. Yeah.
Arthur, are you Spider-Man? Batman!
Oh,
Elliot, it's a theme
we're
park.
literally there already. So, nice little short walk from the bus. And we're about to go through security. I don't know whether we're going to eat in the Disney Village or just get straight into the park and find somewhere to eat in the park. We have got a half-board dining plan, so we've got breakfast every morning at the hotel. We do have a character breakfast booked for Saturday morning, and then we've got restaurants booked for lunch and dinner every other day, but today we didn't really want to stop anywhere for a particular time because we weren't sure what time we'd get back out and into the park. So we're just going to do like a fast food type today. Guys, the Disneyland Hotel is so stunning. Look at that. It's amazing. I'd love to stay in there one day, but that's a bit out of the budget. It's so incredible. And that big giant orange Mickey over there. Let me see if I can catch it for you. Oh, wow. With the fountains and everything, it's incredible. I am absolutely in my element. We haven't even got inside the park yet. Here we go. I'm so excited, I can already see the pumpkins and the Halloween decorations at the train station. Honestly, you don't know how excited I am for the fact that it's Halloween stuff here. It's unbelievable.
I can see it all.
Are you as buzzing as me?
I'm so excited. Look at all the Disney stuff.
The kids, they don't get it at all. It's not for them, it's for us.
I only brought
Even in here, it's just insane. Through, and it is incredible. Oh, it's so beautifully cool. I love it. Look at that, everyone. We'll probably do photos and stuff on Saturday. Today, it's been too much of a long day to try and to be getting photos and stuff as well, but we will do photos at some point. We're going to try and do our castle photos on Saturday morning because that's when we've got character breakfast, so we can get in even earlier than extra magic hours because our breakfast is at 8:15. So I'm hoping we can get in and get our castle photos and things, you know, photos out here and stuff then while it's quite... Oh my God, I'm getting our first glimpse of the castle. We're in Disneyland, Bubba! Oh, yeah. Oh my God, sorry about the flickering, guys, but one, look how insane all these Halloween decorations are. Oh, this is incredible, and I can see the castle.
It smells so good.
Charlie, there's a drop curb right there. Oh, I can smell popcorn and all sorts. Oh, yeah, I think so. You're right. Oh, this is so cool. Look at all the pumpkins. This Halloween decor is insane. Oh, wow. Guys, I would take the piss out of someone who cries, and I feel like I'm going to cry because it's so incredible. Oh, we might even just catch the edge of a parade here. We'll see. We can't get onto Main Street because there must be a parade coming. Oh, I think it's literally just about to come out, so we might stop and wait for it, actually. I've got this little man up on my shoulders because we have walked in just as the parade is coming.
Go down.
Ready?
Dear friends, little pumpkins and chocolate spirits, are you ready to celebrate Halloween? Then join us for the spectacular Mickey's Halloween celebration!
Are you waving to Winnie the Pooh? Elliot, who's coming next? It's Minnie Mouse. Look, Elliot, it's Chip and Dale on the back. And Mickey. Look, he's downstairs now. That parade was so good, and it was an accidental catch of the parade as well, but we're basically just going to follow it down Main Street now so that we can see the castle. Look at the castle behind the parade. It's just so good. Honestly, that was magical. So we've just stopped in for something to eat in Coco Cafe, whatever it's called. We've got burritos. The kids have got some chicken nuggets and some Doritos. And then they've both got a Mickey ice cream bar for after as well. Okay. Let's give this burrito a try. That is nice, but I did just get a big mouthful of avocado. What, you want some? It's quite lemony, isn't it? Oh, but have you got a difference to me? No, it's the same. Yummy. It's very good. The chips are a little bit cold, but it is all like pre-done stuff that's just sitting in the heater, so we just needed food. You found a long chip. And the kids have both got a Mickey ice cream bar for dessert. They're both sitting nicely in the wagon now, enjoying their Mickey ice cream bars, so we're going to go out and see if we can maybe get on a ride together. Of course, he's bored of his ice cream now, so me and Charlie will finish it. I love ice cream, it's one of my favourites. This one, however, well away digging into his. Arthur, is that nice? We're just parking up the buggy and then we're going to go get on our very first ride. We're actually going to go on Phantom Manor first because it's only a 10-minute wait at the moment and all 4 of us can go on it. And we wanted to go on a ride that all of us could get on for the first ride that we do. And then we've just measured Elliot and he's tall enough for Big Thunder Mountain, so I think we're going to try and go on that after and do a rider swap for that one. We're just walking up the queue. It's actually just a 5-minute wait now, so fingers crossed we can pretty much get straight on. Obviously, none of us have ever been here before, so this is actually our first ever ride at Disneyland. So, I don't really like a haunted house, but we're already in Frontierland because obviously we ate here. And it was the only ride here that we can all go on, including the baby. So, let's do it. Look how excited they are. They're running all the way up to their bit of the queue as quickly as they could, screaming in excitement.
Thanks for everyone inside the room.
Hi. Get in front of me so you can see.
Fantôme Manor a connu des jours et les temps changés. Now, curious souls, come, I have more to show you. Entrez, brave mortel, et visitons ensemble ce fameux.
Sorry.
And beware the adventure. Le futur marié à Totoche, l'homme de sa vie.
Oh, I thought this was going to be a walkthrough.
Elliot, we're on your first ride. Whoa.
The vanishing queen. goblins and ghoulies, creatures of fright, we summon you now to dance through the night.
We just got off of Phantom Manor, and it was really good actually. What did you think, Elliot? Was it good? Yeah.
Alpha, did you like it?
Did you like the ride? Yeah. It was really good, wasn't it? It was so good. It was unexpectedly good. I can see why they have like a fan base for that ride actually. We're just going to see what the wait time for Thunder Mountain is. If it's really long, we probably won't do it today. We'll try and do it in Magic Hour. But if it's not too bad, then Elliot's desperate to go on. So we'll test out parent swap, rider switch, and let you know. So Big Thunder Mountain's like a 45-minute queue at the moment, and I just don't think that the kids are going to queue that long. So we're going to come out of Frontierland and go look for something else that's not too long. Autopia says that it's only a 10-minute wait at the moment, so we're going to go check that out. We don't really want to queue tonight. It's been a long day already travelling, so we'll try and do those kind of rides, the bigger ones like that, during Magic Hour. So yeah, we'll skip on that one. That might be a Sunday morning job. We're actually going to not make the most of Magic Hour on Saturday because we have got the character breakfast. It does mean we can jump straight to a ride and join the queue just as the park opens, so we'll already be there. But when it comes to actually using the full hour, we will be in breakfast for half of it. So the kids are just getting a bubble wand each as well. It was €50 for two of them, which is obviously quite pricey, but it's Disney, isn't it? And then I'm sure they'll love those. We'll see. I'm sure we'll get some footage in a minute with bubbles in it now. So, wow! Happy with your bubbles? Oh, they're very happy with their bubbles. But now I am getting, well, you can't see them at the moment, but I'm getting lots of, there's one, lots and lots of bubbles in my face. These two little cheekies are squirting bubbles at each other. They're absolutely loving those bubbles, but the bottles of bubble juice are so small, they're going to run out in about 2 minutes. We'll have to see if we can find somewhere to get the refills that are not going to be like 10-15 euros a refill. So we've come over to Discoveryland. It's very, very cool over here. I wasn't expecting this.
You can't just spray people with your bubbles.
The kids are squirting people with bubbles. Not what they're for. But we're just going to go see, yeah, if Autopia is still just a 10-minute queue, because both kids can do that one. And we'll obviously take you on with us. But we're just going to park up the wagon. Looks like a walk-on, to be honest. So we'll go get in the queue for that. And then that's over there. Exciting. We're kind of just like milling about, dotting from here to there to try and get our bearings a little bit, because we've obviously both never been before. Oh, let's go. 15 minutes now. We'll see and let you know how long it actually is. Literally from the time that we put the wagon over there to walking on, it's gone up by 10 minutes, but hopefully it's still pretty quick. It's still better than 45 minutes. Is that you? Hello. It's actually starting to get a little bit cold now, and guys, I forgot to pack my coat. I left it right by the front door of the house, so no coat, and I didn't really pack a proper jumper either, so this one forgot a coat too, and the kids, they're fine. They've got big fluffy jumpers on and raincoats, but
Mummy,
I don't know what I'm going to do if it rains, and now it's getting cold and I'm getting cold. Like, I don't have a vest on underneath or anything, but me and this little dude are going to go in a car together. I have to drive. Not a very good driver, but I'm going to have to. He's not big enough. Arthur, no. Stop. He's just opened up this bin, so trying to wrangle him. We're on next, so Arthur, close the bin. Charlie, your child's opening the bin. Arthur. They're over there, number 1 in the purple car, and we're over here at number 3, and we've got the pink car. We're on it together. Do you like it, Arthur? My poor driving. Should we go faster? And then hopefully the people behind us don't crash into us, and hopefully we catch up with Elliot and Charlie, who have steamed off ahead while we're trying to get used to the steering wheel. I'm sure we'll see them in a minute. What are we doing? Are we driving? I actually heard online there's a little trick that if you just keep the steering wheel to the left, you don't bash about, but the people behind us are really close and we're struggling a bit to get up this hill. Seems to be a bit of a traffic jam over here. I'm sure that means we'll be joining it shortly. Arthur, we having fun? Yeah. Oh, it's a bit bumpy, my terrible driving. Right, we'll come back to you after. That was really good, that Autopia, for a little kids ride as well. But yeah, it goes really fast, and unless you're fat like me, then it struggles to get up the hill, but you go downhill really quick. So Buzz Lightyear Laser Blast is only 15 minutes as well, so we're just going to go get on that now too. I'm not going to film on the ride on this one, just because we're competitive lot, aren't we? Yeah. So we won't film because we'll be concentrating on getting a good score. So we'll see you after the ride and we'll let you know what we thought about it. That was absolutely incredible. That was so cool, and the kids absolutely loved it as well. We're just seeing if the little one's big enough for Orbitron. Oh, he is. We're just going to jump on Orbitron because that's literally like a 5-minute wait, and there's only half an hour left anyway, so we're just going to focus on little things. Come on, let's go. It's not a big line, darling. It's smaller than the other lines. What did you think of Buzz? Oh, it was so good. The theming in this area is just something else. We're on And we're going.
I'm going down.
You're going down? Or are we going to go up?
I can go down.
He's controlling us. Blimey. I wasn't expecting that.
I wanted to go down there.
Oh my God. Are you a crazy pilot?
Hello. Oh, I'm going down.
Jesus.
You're hiding me.
This kid's I was going to lose my bag and my ears at the same time there.
I'm going to hide again.
Oh, good Lord. For a kid's ride. That's a bit insane. Oh my goodness. Oh, my little pilot here is absolutely bonkers. We need to get off now. That was actually insane for a kid's ride. I cannot believe it. It's 9:15 now and the park closes at 9 o'clock. So we're getting the boys into the wagon and we're either going to start walking back or we might stop and catch the fireworks, possibly. I can't imagine there's really going to be anywhere to stand and watch them at this time of night. But what a good first day. We're going to make our way back, like I said, and so we need to unpack still because we wanted to just get straight into the park. So these two are back in their wagon. Oh, look at that lighting. That's scary, isn't it? And we'll see you in a bit. They've just started the electrical sky parade on the drone show, so how cute. They're drones.
Ah putain, il y a les drones. Avant, il y avait des drones.
Oh, that's amazing. I think we're just going to stop and watch them since we're here, and we've got quite a good view, to be fair. I know we can't see the animations on the front of the castle, but for a last minute stop and see what we can see, it's not bad. Oh wow. Oh yeah. The train, that's so cool. Oh wow. They're drones, aren't they?
And they're going stars.
Kind of.
¿Lo ves, Bruno?
Oh wow, it's a pumpkin. Oh, that's incredible. This is so cool. Oh wow. Oh wow, Elliot, look at that boat coming. That's incredible.
That's the costume only come here when it's nighttime.
The castle's here all the time, darling.
Well, how does it get?
It stays here, it doesn't move.
I don't know, how did we not see it the other day?
We've never been here before.
That one we didn't see when we walked past.
Yeah, this is the first time we've come near it. Oh wow!
Is that what these are for?
No, they're for the daytime, really. I can't. See anything? I think it's adding to the show. That's really cool how they add like the smoke. Boys, maybe turn the bubbles off now so you've got some left for tomorrow. After turn your bubbles off so you've got some left. Oh wow. Oh, you want to keep the light on? Look, you can keep your light on but turn the bubbles off. Arthur, turn the bubbles off. Whoever come up with this is an absolute genius. That was so good. Turn the bubbles on. The kids still want to put their bubbles on and they're annoying people and they're using them all up already, but that electrical sky parade was amazing. What did you think of it? Oh, it was so cool. Really clever. I think we're just going to hang on now for the fireworks, we may as well.
Is a dream, just waiting to be awakened. We all have an imagination to unlock this inner child. But sometimes the inner child needs an invitation to come out. This is your invitation to dream.
was actually warm.
Hello.
No, you can't just use your hands, mate. Guys, that was something else, really. I think it's not quite finished, but we're going to hang back and let the crowds pass a little bit, because with this wagon it's going to be hard to get through the crowd. So absolute carnage trying to get out, but we got Stitch up on the balcony tonight on the way out. I will try and show you guys. Up on the balcony, there he is. We just got back over to the hotel, but the little building we're in doesn't have one of the coffee machines, but the one opposite us does. So I'm just going to go see if the little hack where you use your magic pass to get a free hot drink works or not. We'll let you know. So it worked. I've got 2 hot chocolates for us and we'll see how we go with it tomorrow. So we're back in the room now, and that is travel day / day 1 done. Honestly, I couldn't have imagined it to be better than what it is. It's been a mixture of feelings today. It's been a stressful day and it's been an amazing day at the same time. It almost feels like 2 separate days. Doesn't really feel like we've done everything all today, travelled and been in the park. It kind of felt like we got here and then we started a new day. Just to recap the day, I wouldn't stay in that Airbnb thing again. I wasn't too keen on that. The other guests in there definitely did not respect the quiet hours and were like, somebody was microwaving microwave meals at gone 11 o'clock last night, and the microwave was in the corridor right outside our door. It was just noisy. It just didn't really feel, it wasn't unsafe, but it didn't feel the safest, so I wouldn't do that again. The trains were some easier and some harder than I expected with the kids and all the stuff. The tube was actually surprisingly the easiest bit of the whole journey. The Eurostar, that was actually the hardest. Getting everything on and off of there was really difficult, but it was worth it in the end. We made it here. Our room's actually really nice. It's better than I expected it to be for, you know, everyone always says, oh, it's the cheapest, it's the 2-star hotel, it's the worst one of the Disneys. If this is the worst, I can't even imagine what like the Disneyland hotel really would be like. I think we might try and go in the Disneyland hotel at some point this weekend to have a look around, but if this is the worst hotel, this is pretty good. So yeah, it's been great. I hope you've enjoyed watching it, whatever I've edited and put out, because I'm not sure what I'm going with. This little mic has turned off a few times today, I've realised, so I do apologise if some of the audio is a bit shaky, not the best. But we're excited for tomorrow. We're going to unpack now. We didn't unpack when we got here, we just wanted to get straight into the parks. The kids are fast asleep. Elliot's not actually got into the covers. He's just sat, got himself under this little like runner and decided that's the covers that he wants for himself tonight. But we're going to unpack, get washed, get ourselves sorted for tomorrow, and then go to bed. Any thoughts on the day? No thoughts on the day. No notes about the parks or the travel. Just I'm going to have a bath. So with that, I am going to go as well. And make sure you're subscribed and put the notification bells on, and you'll see day 2 next week on the following Wednesday at 6 p.m. Bye.